Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your G Beto G. Today I'm going to be making a trap beat, and the title of this trap beat is going to be titled A Boston Trap Beat. How to make a Boston trap beat. Let's get straight into my FS Studio. Right now I'm in my FS Studio. I'm going to make a beat, and the title is going to be titled How to Make a Boston Trap Beat. Right now I'm going to pick my sound. Now today I've picked this plugin called Orgon. Inside the Orgon I'm going to select my preset. I'm going to choose my favorite piano to make sure it sounds very good. I'm going to use this one to create my beats. I will have click and open my piano roll. Now I'm going to create a Boston trap beat. How to create a Boston trap beat. This is how to create a Boston trap beat. Level 65% and add my sound organizer. Now I'm going to program my hi-hats. I finished pick my kick, also called the 88. I'm going to post my kick. And this is how it sounds. Now I'm going to bring down the melodies on my hi-hats. I'm going to use a parametric EQ2. Cut down the beats. Now I'm going to use a sound organizer. Down the mix, and on my playlist I'm going to split by channel, bring in my kick, bring in my hi-hats. Now I'm arranging my break, bring in my snare, bring in my sound. Now I'm going to copy my beat and arrange my beats. This is my intro. Now you can listen to my full beats. I have finished making my beats. This is my outro. Thank you for watching and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel.